Hello guys, review Nubia V70 Max. This version 8GB memory and 128GB storage, 6GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. We have 6.9 inch display, 120 Hz, 600 mAh battery, fast charging, IE camera and Nubia AI. Open box and look completion. We have device in the blue color, okay, and in completion we have adapter for charging, protected case, adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay, big device, big camera. On this side, power button and warm buttons, Type-C cable, slot for SIM card on this side, headphones jack and speaker. Okay, turn on device, open settings, about phone, we have my OS version 15, Android 15, CPU Unisoc T7200, 7200 or 7200. Okay, open Geekbench 6 and look results. Single core score, multi-core score results and GPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. And run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load. Graphics medium level. Okay, that's all. Close game, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.